The world is changing fast and blockchain is creating millionaires overnight. Want to know exactly how to make money with blockchain, whether you're a beginner or a pro, from passive income to high stakes trading? This is your ultimate blueprint to cashing in on the future of money. Let's dive in. So this is a detailed guide on how to make money with blockchain. Now, blockchain technology has opened up numerous opportunities for making money, from active income streams like trading and development to passive income streams like staking and yield farming. This video breaks down the most profitable ways to earn money with blockchain, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. And so the first is by trading and investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, one of the most common ways to make money with blockchain is through crypto trading and investing. And under trading and investing in cryptocurrencies, you can buy and hold. We call it long-term investing. And the strategy is to buy cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and hold them long-term. Now, what are the pros? There is potential for massive returns over time, but the con is market volatility can lead to losses. Also, there is what we call active trading, whereby you go for short-term profits. And so the strategy is to use technical and fundamental analysis to buy low and sell high. So what are the types of trading? There is what we call day trading, whereby you buy and sell within a single day. And then there's what we call swing trading, whereby you hold for a few days or weeks to capitalize on trends. And there's what we call scalping, whereby you make multiple small trades within short time frames. Now, what are the pros? There is a higher profit potential if executed well, and also active trading for short-term profits requires experience, time, and risk management. Also, there is arbitrage trading, whereby you buy cryptocurrency on one exchange where the price is low and sell on another exchange where the price is higher. So what are the pros? It exploits market inefficiencies for quick profits. Also, the con, the disadvantage is that it requires fast transactions and awareness of fees. Now, the second way to make money from blockchain is earning passive income with blockchain. And so blockchain offers multiple passive income opportunities. The first one is staking. Now, how does it work? Under staking, you lock up your crypto in a proof of stake POS blockchain network like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana to earn rewards. Now, the advantage is that there's no need for active trading. It generates steady rewards. And then the disadvantage is that it requires holding crypto for extended periods. Now, the second one under earning passive income with blockchain is yield farming and liquidity provision. And how does it work? You provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, DEX, like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or Curve in exchange for transaction fees and rewards. What are the advantages? There's a high return potential, and then disadvantage is impermanent loss, high volatility. Also, you can run a node whereby you have what we call a master node. So running a master nodes are full nodes that help maintain blockchain networks and get rewarded. Examples are Dash, PIVX, and then Zcoin. They offer master node rewards. Now, the advantage is that there's consistent passive income, and the disadvantage is that it requires significant initial investment. Also, you can rent out crypto storage, which we call decentralized cloud storage. So how does it work? You rent out unused storage space on blockchain-based storage networks like Filecoin, Storj, or Sia. The advantage is that you earn passive income while contributing to decentralized storage, and then the disadvantage is that it requires some technical setup. Now, you can also earn, when it comes to making money from blockchain, you can also earn through decentralized finance, DeFi. And so DeFi allows users to earn money without intermediaries. And so the first way to earn through DeFi is lending and borrowing. And so how does it work? You lend your crypto on DeFi platforms like Harvey, Compound, or MakerDAO to earn interest. And the advantage is passive income with competitive interest rates as well. And the disadvantage is the risk of smart contract exploits. Also, you can do what we call flash loans, whereby you take out a loan without collateral and pay it back within a single transaction to exploit arbitrage opportunities. Now, what is the advantage? There is no need for upfront capital, and then the disadvantage is it's highly technical and risky. Also, when it comes to making money from blockchain, making money with blockchain, you can create and sell NFTs. So non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have become a huge blockchain-based market. So how does it work? Basically, you can mint and sell NFTs. So how does it work? Create unique digital assets, art, music, videos, collectibles, and sell them on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. What is the advantage? High potential earnings for unique content, and the disadvantage is market volatility as well as competition. You can also flip NFTs under creating and selling NFTs. Now, how does it work? Buy NFTs at a lower price and sell them at a higher price, and it's profitable if you invest in valuable collections. But the disadvantage is that you would have to research and time the market, so it requires research and market timing. Also, there is what we call NFT gaming and play to earn, P2E. How does it work? You play blockchain based games like Axie Infinity, The Sandbox, or Gods Unchained to earn NFTs and crypto. Now, it's a fun and engaging way to earn money, but the disadvantage is there is an initial investment required in some games. Now, the next way to earn or make money as from blockchain or with blockchain is to earn as a blockchain developer. And so developers can make money by building what we call blockchain based applications. And so there is what we call smart contract development, whereby you develop and audit smart contracts or DeFi projects, NFTs, or DAOs. And then it is in high demand for skilled developers. There is a high demand for skilled developers, and so if you're good with this is a way to make good money. But the disadvantage is that it requires programming skills, solidity, and Rust. Also, you can build decentralized applications, dApps, whereby you create blockchain based applications for finance, gaming, or social media. Now, it's profitable if successful, but it requires coding and business strategy. Also, there's what we call blockchain freelancing and consulting, whereby you offer blockchain related services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and CryptoJob. It provides flexible work opportunities, but it also requires specialized skills. The next way to make money from blockchain is mining and running blockchain nodes. And so blockchain mining and validation offer another way to earn money. You can mine cryptocurrencies using hardware like ASICs or GPUs to mine Bitcoin or altcoins. It provides a passive income opportunity with proper setup, but there is high electricity and hardware cost. Also, you can run a validator node and to help secure proof of stake networks like Ethereum and earn rewards. It provides steady income and supports decentralization, but it requires technical knowledge and capital. Also, there is what we call affiliate marketing and referral programs when it comes to making money from blockchain or making money with blockchain. Now, many blockchain platforms offer referral programs, and so you can promote crypto exchanges and wallets that by referring users to exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin and earn commissions. It's easy to start, to be honest, but it requires an audience and a strong marketing skill. Also, you can promote DeFi and NFT projects by referring users to DeFi protocols or NFT platforms and earning rewards. It can be highly lucrative, but some projects may be risky. When it comes to making money from blockchain, you can also create blockchain-based content. Now, content creators like me can monetize blockchain related education and entertainment, and so you can do blogging and YouTube just like what I'm doing now. You can create content about blockchain, crypto, NFTs, and DeFi on YouTube, Medium, or personal blogs. Now, there is long-term revenue potential and it requires consistent effort. Now, you can also write paid articles and white papers. And so how does it work? Write technical or educational content for blockchain projects. Now, it is a high-paying gig for skilled writers, but it requires expertise. Now, Blockchain technology provides a wide range of opportunities to make money, whether actively through trading and development or passively through staking and DeFi. The key to success is education, research, and risk management. So what struck you the most in this video? Do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we are raising 100 Gen Z millionaires in 2025, and you want to be in the loop so that you can get all our Gen Z millionaire strategies. And so hit the subscribe button to become a member of this community, and also share this video with a friend.